Hi, everybody. I'm here today. Well, first of all, happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a great day. And happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. I hope you're going to have a great day and eat lots of yummy food. I plan to. But hi, my name is Wendy, and I'm a retired art educator. But I always say once an art teacher, always an art teacher. I'm here to help you and sometimes your kids get creative, get crafty, and bring out your inner artist. Now, today we're going to talk kits. I am a Stampin Up demonstrator, paper crafting supplies, and the best paper crafting and stamping goodies out there. But we have for the absolute beginner, and not even just for the beginner, kits are great for even the experienced stamper that just wants something easy. You're not feeling the creative flow, and you maybe just want somebody to tell you what to do. And that's what our kits will do. Kits are also great for kids. Kids like to put these together. Beginner crafters who just aren't sure how to paper craft, these kits are amazing. I really, really, really like them. I didn't at first. I didn't think I would, but I enjoy putting these together. Now let me show you. Let me turn my camera. Flip it. Okay, hopefully you can see that. This is an example of one of our kits, and I'm going to make one thing from this kit today. This kit happens to be called, open it up, and I mean the boxes that come in are nice too. I mean, shoot, great gift box. Speaking of gifts, these make great Christmas gifts for kids, for mom, for your sister, for whoever likes to craft but maybe doesn't have a lot of time. These are great. They tell you what to do. You can sit down in one afternoon or a couple hours and have it done, even not that long. Okay, this one is called Christmas Gifting Kit. And some of our kits are cards. Others are different kinds of projects. And these are tags. Great. And they're also, they're tags, but also gift card holders. So great way to top a gift or slip it in an envelope and give a gift card, and somebody can use the tag. So here's what one of them looks like finished. And here's the gift card pocket in the back. You can slide your gift card right in there. But I'm going to show you what our kits come with and how they work. Our kits are all inclusive. They come with everything you need. You need ink, comes with ink. Comes with things like dimensionals to pop things up and make things three-dimensional. It comes with all the paper things you need. It comes with the twine because it's a tag, so you need twine, okay? Comes with a block and a small stamp set. Let me move this out of the way. And a small stamp set. Okay, hopefully you can see that. I'm going to turn this light on too. Woo! That got really bright really fast. Let me play around with this for a minute. That's not bad. Okay, comes with a small stamp set, and you don't actually even use all of these, so you have some stamps that you've got a nice little set. It comes with a block to put the stamps on. These are super handy. Excuse me. And it even comes with your adhesive. Okay, these are little double-sided tape, kind of little dots, okay? So, let's go ahead and make one of these. All right, and it comes with instructions. Yay! So, I'm going to make one of these with the deer, okay? And it just shows you step-by-step with pictures. How simple is that? So, first it says, to stamp just for you on one of these red pieces of paper, okay? So, I should have brought my stamp cleaner over here. Oh, I've got it. Yay. Okay, so just for you, I need to find it on here. There it is. And stick it on my block. Okay. And ink it up. Now, when you have these tiny, tiny ink pads, it's best to flip the ink pad over and put your ink on this way, okay? There, I've inked it up just for you. And I'm going to put it in the middle here. Let me do a little bit more. Looks like it could use a little more. There we go. Okay. Just for you. Ta-da. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. All right, I'm going to clean that off. And then it says to stamp to and from on a circle. So I'm going to put that back. Excuse me. I have had a cold. I am finally feeling better. I was feeling bad for a couple days. Woo. To and from. Here it is. To and from goes on one of these little circles to give you all the stuff. I just love it. Okay, so to and from goes on my block. All right, I pick up my ink. Okay, there we go. All the stamping is done. Easy peasy. Okay, I'll wipe that off. Now it says to take one of these punch outs, some Christmas greenery. Okay, got that. And one of the green punch out the little reindeer. Now the cool thing is you leave this reindeer out, punched out, but look, you've got a little reindeer you could use for something else. Give this stuff to your kids and say, hey, make something out of it. Like this one had a tree that you punched out. Okay, you know, and they always give you extra stuff too, so you can make more things if you want to. So we have this, and it says to put. Oops, and I grabbed the wrong one. It is supposed to be. Let me see. Let me go back in this whole thing. It's supposed to be one of the dark ones. Okay, right here. I love how it just tells you exactly what to do. I mean, how easy is that? Now, these little things for gluing, I'm going to be gluing this right on here. Okay. I got to put my glasses on for these because they're tiny. They're a little double-sided, like I said, for your adhesive. Now, if you already happen to have a tape runner, like our Stampin' Seal, or you have some good craft glue, you can use that and not even use these little things, but I'm going to use them just to show you how they work. And you peel that off. They're tiny, but they give you everything, which I just wanted to show you. You don't have to have a single thing to be able to do a kit. All right. And I just put it on the wrong side. Oh, good Lord, Wendy. Let's see if I can take it off without it being a problem. I got it. I think I'm going to put something over top of this anyway, so it doesn't matter. Let me grab one more. I have just not been myself. I'm finally starting to kind of feel like myself. Ooh. Okay, so that goes right about there. And I could put some under these leaves too, but I'm not going to right now just for time's sake. Okay, and then you're going to use the, it tells you exactly what to do. It tells you to put 3 of the dimensionals, if you can see that, on the back of your sentiment. And that goes, oh yeah, that goes right over there. And it is perfectly the same size as my tag. There we go. Okay. And then you're going to grab one of the pockets that they've already made. Now you certainly can make these yourself, but why not have them do it for you? My lighting in here is not cooperating today. There, okay. Why not let them do it for you? So this, you're going to put your to and from on it. I'm just going to use, just for time's sake, I'm just going to use my tape runner, okay? But you would use the adhesive it comes with. that right on there. Good to go. And then you're going to flip your deer over, punch out the holes, and this is going to lay right down on the back. So once again, just to save time, I'm going to use my tape runner. Line up the hole. Like so. It's a little crooked. It's all right. Maybe I can fix it. Yeah, it's okay. Now it's crooked the other way. Oh well. And look how cute that is. And then you put your twine that they give you through the hole, and you've got a hanging gift you can hang on your tree. Put a gift card in the back, to and from. And this kit comes with, let me see, 9 of them. Okay, you make 9 of these: the tree, the deer, and the star. So, kits are great. Gifts, you know, somebody you just don't know who to buy for, a neighbor that you know likes to craft. A Stampin' Up kit is the way to go. All right, now, I just want to tell you a couple things. Sorry for all the sniffing. I am a drippy, drippy mess right now. But at least I can sort of breathe today. I want to tell you a couple things. I do have some kits on hand. If you would like my list of the kits I have physically right now that I can sell to you, they range between $19 and $23, depending on what's in them. I have some. I am happy to locally get them to you, or I'll even ship them. I am getting ready to have a Black Friday free shipping sale, so I will ship them for nothing. If you would like one of these for a gift. If you're local, I'll bring it to you, and I'll even gift wrap if you want me to. Okay? Message me for details, and I can tell you which ones I physically have right now. The rest, you would have to go on our website, stampinup.com, and purchase, okay, online. And they come pretty quickly. But I wanted to tell you real quick two other things. I'm having an upcoming class. It's called Tags, Boxes, and Gift Bags. Oh my! Like lion, tigers, and bears. Yeah, you get it. Anyway, I cracked myself up. But it is a quick class for the beginner or for more advanced. It doesn't matter. I teach you everything, so don't worry about it if you don't know what you're doing. It is not cards. It is going to be, just like it says, tags, boxes. I'm going to show you how to make some boxes, and gift bags. You can make your own gift bags. So that is going to be on December 4th at 3 o'clock. It's a Sunday here at my house in Hampstead, North Carolina. So if you're local, come on out. And there is a $5 fee for materials, but I provide drinks and snacks and door prizes. Everybody walks out with at least one tag, probably more, at least one box, and at least one gift bag, and a prize. Okay? So, the last thing, my Black Friday sale. Black Friday through Cyber Monday. That's Friday after Thanksgiving through the next Monday. Through. I am offering 10% off any Stampin' Up order and free shipping. I will reimburse your shipping. Okay? So, just remember, kits are a great gift. If you don't know what to get somebody and you know that they kind of like crafting, get them a kit. I have some. Let me know if you'd like to see which ones I have on hand. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Don't eat too much. Oh, what am I talking about? Eat all you want. You're supposed to. All right. Take care, and I'll see you next week. Bye.